This short video is an example of the elements of costing task 4 assessment type question. Basically it's to do with payroll, different methods of payroll. So first of all we're going to have a look at A. Glace Limited pays a time rate of £9 per hour to its direct labour for a standard 36-hour week. Any of the labour force working in excess of 36 hours are paid an overtime rate of £12 per hour. So basically all we have to do is fill in the table below. So the basic rate is just 36 times 9. So all we do is get on our calculators, 36 times 9, and should come up with £324. So all our employees get £324 basic pay. Obviously S Moore here worked 40 hours, so they did work over the 36, and also obviously A Smedley here worked 37 hours. So Smedley worked 37 hours, they're paid normal hours is 36, they're expected to week, so it's 1 hour extra at £12. So the overtime for Smedley is £12. We'll just put that in there. Gross wages, if we remember, is just the total of the basic wage plus the overtime. So in this case for Smedley, he's going to get £336. So we just type that in there. For Moore, here, S. Moore, obviously he worked 40 hours. I say he, she, they worked 40 hours. So they should have worked 36. So they do work 36 standard. So he worked 4 hours more than normal. So it's 4 12s are £48. So the overtime for S. Moore is £48. And again, for the gross wage, we just add that to the 324, the basic wage, okay, to give us £372. And that is that part of the task complete. So our next task, it says Oliver Limited uses a time rate method with bonuses to pay its direct labour in one of its factories. The time rate used is £12 per hour, and the workers are expected to produce 15 units per hour. Anything over this, and the worker is paid a bonus of 40p per unit. So first of all we do is we work out the basic wage. So they work 40 hours at £12. So 40 times 12 gives us £480. So all of our employees get 480. The next thing we have to do is work out whether they get a bonus or not. So what we're going to do is they're expected to produce 15 units per hour. So if we time the 15 units by the total hours they work, will tell us that they should have produced, or they need to produce, over 600 units to get a bonus. So in the case of A. Wilkes, our first worker, they produced 650 units. So in this case they produced 50 units more than they were required to, so they get a bonus of 40p per unit. So 50 units times 0.4 gives us £20 bonus. And then we add that together, and the gross wage is £500 for A. Wilkes. Our next employer, J. Davis, they only produced 595 units, and they should have produced 600 to get any bonus. So in this case they get nothing, so their standard wage is £480, or the gross wage should I say is £480. And it's the same with M. Hale here. They only produced 580 units when they should have produced over 600 to get a bonus. So there's no bonus in this case, and the basic gross wage is £480 for that employee. And that's all there is to the task 4.